Every year, millions of you buy from the two best-selling refrigerator brands in America. The technicians who repair those exact machines are quietly buying something else for their own homes. One of those brands settled a class action lawsuit over defective compressors. The other carries a reported 33% failure rate within 5 years. What these technicians know starts with a failure pattern most shoppers never get to see. Appliance technicians build a mental map of refrigerator reliability from thousands of service calls. While consumers look at stainless steel finishes and smart touchscreens in showrooms, repair professionals look at the service records of units less than 5 years old. On the ground, this service history reveals a pattern of failure that led to major legal and regulatory action. On May 27, 2024, the Ontario Superior Court of Justice approved a class action settlement in Prinz v. LG Electronics Canada, Inc. Court file number CV2100081000CP. The lawsuit addressed systemic cooling failures in LG models manufactured between 2014 and 2024, with payouts ranging from $50 to over $3,500. For Samsung, the data is similarly documented. Between January 2019 and September 2023, the United States Consumer Product Safety Commission received over 3,800 complaints regarding Samsung French door models. In 2022 alone, Samsung accounted for approximately 69% of all refrigerator complaints sent to the United States Consumer Product Safety Commission. Consumer Reports Reliability Forecast supports this field data, estimating that 33% of Samsung French door refrigerators require repairs by their 5th year. These statistics represent the gap between advertising claims and real-world performance. Technicians do not buy refrigerators based on retail popularity. They select machines designed for long-term ownership, ease of service, and simple engineering. This perspective shows why the people who fix these appliances for a living make very different choices for their own kitchens. The underlying cause of modern refrigerator failures comes down to a single, highly problematic subsystem, the ice maker. Industry service data reveals that ice maker malfunctions account for roughly 50% of all refrigerator repair calls. When water lines, heating elements, mold assemblies, and electronic sensors are crammed into a freezing compartment, physical failures become inevitable. This risk multiplies when manufacturers introduce automated smart ice features. These systems rely on delicate control boards, thickness sensors, and water inlet valves that frequently fail under continuous temperature swings. Instead of adding value, these complex electronics generate repeat service calls, often forcing homeowners to pay for multiple diagnostic visits within a single year. This structural vulnerability is especially severe in French door layouts. To install an ice dispenser in the door, manufacturers must route water lines and electrical harnesses through moving hinges, while sealing a miniature freezing compartment inside a warm, fresh food zone. This design invites frozen fill tubes, failing solenoid valves, and condensation buildup. In contrast, traditional top freezer models operate on a much simpler mechanical system. Because they keep the ice maker entirely inside the main freezer, they use fewer electronics, fewer moving parts, and less complicated plumbing. Because of this, top freezer refrigerators fail about 40% less often than complex French door units. For repair professionals, this contrast translates into a fundamental buying rule. Fewer mechanical trouble points mean a much lower chance of a costly breakdown. The search for a reliable refrigerator leads practical technicians to a specific baseline model, the Whirlpool WRT311FZDM. This top freezer unit represents the exact opposite of modern, over-engineered appliances. Industry service logs track this model at an 8% failure rate over 5 years of ownership, marking the lowest documented service frequency among mainstream entry-level options in its price tier. For repair professionals, this durability comes down to what lies behind the metal casing. Whirlpool relies on a highly standardized engineering platform, using the same compressors and control boards across many different models. This design choice eliminates parts sourcing friction. If a component does eventually wear out, local supply houses almost always have the replacement item in stock, preventing the weeks of shipping delays common with imported brands. Because of this accessible layout, a professional can complete almost any repair on this machine in under 90 minutes, minimizing household downtime and keeping labor fees minimal. The long-term value of this straightforward engineering shows in daily field operations. Independent repair shops regularly encounter Whirlpool units built in the 1990s that continue to run on their original sealed systems. When technicians purchase appliances for their own properties, they choose this combination of immediate parts availability, ease of service, and proven decade-spanning operation. It offers cost-conscious households a durable alternative built for long-term ownership. For homeowners demanding a high-end French door layout without inheriting the mechanical fragility of other premium brands, technicians look to the Bosch 800 series. In 2025, industry tracking recorded a 12.5% first-year service rate for this model, marking the lowest repair frequency among mainstream options. This reliability comes down to its commercial-grade layout. While standard refrigerators force a single compressor to freeze ice and cool fresh vegetables at the same time, Bosch installs dual compressors. One dedicated compressor manages the freezer, while a second, independent unit cools the fresh food compartment. This separation of labor eliminates shared mechanical strain. It prevents either system from running constantly, which preserves the life of the compressor valves and keeps internal temperatures exceptionally stable. Because of this architectural split, the refrigerator does not have to work twice as hard during hot summer months or after a major trip to the grocery store. In the field, repair professionals report these units routinely operate for 12 to 15 years with minimal intervention. The precise control of this dual system architecture also limits operational noise. The 800 series runs between 37 and 39 decibels, making it one of the quietest appliances available on the market today. For a buyer seeking high performance, this engineering proves that premium features can coexist with real physical durability. Miele introduces a different math problem to the kitchen, translating a high initial purchase price into long horizon value. Every component in these units undergoes testing equivalent to 20 years of continuous operation before the model goes into production. This engineering standard results in a documented 8% failure rate over a 10-year period. While a $5,000 starting price seems steep, it breaks down to roughly $250 per year over its expected lifespan. Contrast this with a standard Samsung model. If it requires just 2 major out-of-warranty repairs within 7 years, its annual cost quickly climbs past that benchmark before the machine even reaches its premature end. For repair professionals, the cheapest appliance is often the one that costs the most upfront. The final benchmark of serious residential longevity is Sub-Zero. Technicians describe it as the only residential refrigerator built closer to commercial specifications than typical consumer appliances. The core technical distinction is its independent sealed dual compressor system. By running the freezer and fresh food compartments on completely separate cooling loops, the machine eliminates shared mechanical strain and prevents air transfer. While mass market brands offer a standard 1 to 5 year warranty, Sub-Zero backs its refrigeration system with a 12-year sealed system warranty. With basic routine maintenance, these units achieve an average real-world lifespan of 18 to 20 years. It represents the physical reality of what repair professionals value most: heavy-gauge metal, separate mechanical hearts, and engineering built to outlast the home itself. Today, manufacturers still trade durability for flashy, fragile features. But real reliability isn't found on showroom floors, it's proven on the service truck. Your next purchase is a choice between marketing hype and lasting engineering. Choose simplicity. Share your thoughts below.